काजोल देवगन और ट्विंकल खन्ना दो ऐसी फिल्मी हस्तियां हैं जिनके मुंह में ना छन्नी है और ना ही फिल्टर। क्योंकि जब ये दोनों साथ आती हैं तो सिर्फ चाय नहीं बल्कि पूरी इंडस्ट्री की गॉसिप उबलती है। और इस बार ये दोनों बी टाउन की हर दीवार के पीछे क्या चल रहा है वो लेकर आ रही हैं अपने नए शो टू मच विद काजोल एंड ट्विंकल में, जिसका ट्रेलर हाल ही में रिलीज हुआ और रिलीज होते ही इंटरनेट पे काफी धमाका मचा रहा है। ट्रेलर रिलीज के बाद काजोल और ट्विंकल ने मीडिया से खास बातचीत की और अपने शो को लेकर कई सारे इंटरेस्टिंग किस्से भी शेयर किए और बताया कि ये कोई आम सेलेब चैट शो नहीं है। ये है जैसे किसी पुराने फ्रेंड्स ग्रुप की रियूनियन जिसमें हर कोई अपना सच्चा रंग दिखा रहा है।
It's so much fun because yes, there is there's a lot of laughter and there's a lot of fun. But I think what's nice about it is also the fact that our guests have also spoken about their views and their viewpoints in the nicest possible way, in the nicest possible setting, with the coolest questions.
Nice.
Just to give us enough credit for it.
Of course, of course.
But yeah, and I have to say kudos to all of them who've come because they really have spoken so very well and from the heart and the mind and not sometimes.
I, I think that what is really special about our show is while there's a lot of laughter and there's a lot of joy, there's also a sort of unraveling of layers, psychological layers and layers about society, viewpoints. And we try to go a little bit deeper than other chat shows. And I think that is our USP. We have fun, it's irreverent, but it's also not frivolous at all. It's got some gravitas.
It's the most fun. I just want to tell you all that it is the most fun. I think, like I said before, also the BTS is like way more interesting. इतना काटना पड़ा लेकिन इतना मजा आया था और the kind of stuff that I think we automatically kind of say to each other and around each other is also really funny. It's really funny because when I look back on it, I was like, how the hell did we say this? This is really not politically correct. This is truly not politically correct, but so very funny. So yeah, it was great fun.
I tease her and I call her Behen on the show, but it's kind of true. We are not friends. We are like sisters. We bicker. We make fun of each other, but we trust each other. We both have each other's back, and I think that's very important to have in a show like this.
Rohini, we were thinking, what to do next in nonfiction. There's so much that's happening. So then we decided we wanted to do a chat show. So we were like, okay, how is this chat show going to be different from every other chat show out there, right? And like I said earlier, every chat show is an extension of the host's personality. And I think the one thing we really wanted to do was we really wanted to put the female gaze onto a chat show and be like, what happens when a woman is asking these questions? Is there kindness? Is there more fun? Are they coming at it from a different angle? What happens in a chat show where two women compel you?
And it's always different. Like
Always.
you have male hosts who will ask you questions,
Yeah.
and you're always like, and men have a way of looking at things and have a way of answering certain things, and women when they ask the same questions are a totally different ball game altogether, and you answer them very differently. Yeah.
100%. Yeah.
And the questions are different because they don't see the world through our perspective. They don't go through life every month, going through some sort of trauma the way we do, right from puberty till, menopause. So I think we have a different way and we brought that to the show.